Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will create this base. The overall height is 10 plus 25 plus 20 plus 30. The thickness is 15 plus 10 25 mm and also R25 and R15. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Select extrude, select the right plane, create two circles, give the dimension 50 and 30 mm. Create line like this. Give the dimension. Overall height is 25 plus 10 35 plus 20 55 mm. Create one more line here. This overall height is 60 mm. Finish sketch. The thickness is 25 mm. Select this surface, sketch. Length is 40 mm. Finish sketch. Extrude 40 mm. Next, here there is a one cutout. From the top 30 mm and 10 mm. Select this surface, sketch, create one rectangle, give the dimension. This is 30 mm and this is 10 mm. Finish sketch. Extruded cut. Here select through all. Okay. Next there is a one rib. For that select the front plane, sketch, create one line here, give the dimensions 20 mm. Finish sketch. The rib thickness is 10 mm towards downside. Okay. Next here there is a cutout. (30 mm). Create dia 30 circle here. finish sketch, extruded cut, select through hole. Okay. So that's it friends. So now we can assign the material here, steel or chrome. Go to edit appearances, assign some color here. So that's the today's session friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. And also I am requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends. We'll see you in the next session.